Hey guys, what is up? It is Melanie and this is my first intro in my dorm room. Super exciting. Dorm tour coming soon, by the way, so stay tuned for that. But I just got finished with my first whole week of college, and in this video I'm showing you guys everything that I wore. I also added in the weekend. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to stay tuned for more fashion outfit inspo and for more college content. So thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get into the fits. Please mind the fact that my mirror is absolutely so dirty. Remember that I drove 20 hours in it, or not in it, with it. First day of school outfit. Hey everybody, it's Melanie. What is up? I know it was still me in the beginning, but voiceover Melanie is like, you know, part 2 of me. So hey. Rings of the day. Necklaces of the day. Earrings of the day. Bracelet. It's actually so therapeutic to film this because it's kind of like talking to my therapist, or, you know, doing like a little podcast or something, if you will. So what's up? I know you're here for the outfits, but I just wanted to step in and say hi. It absolutely blows my mind that, oh my gosh, where'd my voice go? It absolutely blows my mind that these outfits were from the first week of school, which, you know, I guess I don't have to say that much. It took me a very, very long time to edit this, and that's because school has been killing my butt. But at least I've been dressing decently okay, and when I wear sweatpants, I still put on makeup and accessorize, so that's my accomplishment so far. I deeply apologize that this video is only like 3 minutes, but you know what? Sometimes short and sweet is all you need to see some cute outfit inspo. So hopefully you guys still enjoy this video. You can see a couple of my outfits from the first week and how I've been styling some different things. I actually just got a haircut yesterday, so I'm wearing pants, I promise. You will probably see this throughout the video, but I wear pretty basic stuff, and like half of my closet is thrifted. But with that, take some simple tips from me. Lots of accessories, oversized stuff rocks, and also I've been trying to wear more color. I think I've been doing decently well at that. For a little side update, I recently just moved into college, as you can see by the change in scenery. Hopefully this layout isn't too wonky for you guys. I think you can still see my fit decent enough, but say hi, that's my dorm. If you want to see the full dorm experience, I have a tour up, and I plan on doing more college videos, so let me know what else you would like to see. The room is getting progressively messier as the week goes on. It's the weekend though, Saturday, and I'm giving you guys extra outfits. These were actually longer and I just cut them last night, so. Guys, please ignore the fact that my room is so messy. I am now realizing I never really finished saying my update. I actually never really started it at all either, but hey. This is me at college in my dorm. Anyways, I go to Pepperdine University, which is in Malibu, and you know, I'm getting used to the weather here. You would think sunny California, partially true, but it's also like cloudy sometimes, and it's like cold in the morning, and then it's sunny, and then you also have to like walk up 100 steps everywhere and run like everywhere around campus, so I'd be sweating a lot. That's why my outfits are kind of just like, you can not tell what season it is. Baby, you're so different, 'cause others wouldn't even try. Nobody ever took the time. Guys, look at my new tote bag. It's so cute. It has beans on it. About everything I do. Anyways, I love these videos because you can kind of track how your style like develops and changes and whatnot. I'll probably watch this in a year and be like, Melanie, what were you thinking pairing that shirt with those pants? But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Alright guys, so that was the video. That was everything that I wore this week. Make sure to let me know what other college and outfit style videos you want to see. And other than that, thank you guys so much for watching. And I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys!
I know you wanna leave, so come on baby, be with me so happily.